Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on Miro. So to do this, go ahead and click your account on the upper right hand side. As you can see, you click the drop down here and you will find your account and your profile. So go ahead and click on profile settings. And under this profile settings, you will see your profile picture on the right. So you can go ahead and remove this or you can upload a new one. So I'm going to click on upload, for example, and just choose a different picture here that I can find on my PC so that we can have a different photo selected. So I'm going to choose this picture here. And as you can see, it's currently loading in that new picture. And within seconds, it's going to change it. And as you can see right here, my profile picture is done uploaded, and you don't even have to click save, guys. You upload it, it automatically save, and you can see it in the upper right that it is changed. Now if I head back over to my main profile, to the main home page here, and just refresh, you will also notice that I have a picture change in the upper right as well for my account right here. And that's it. That's how you go ahead and change your profile picture in Miro.